Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the new wheels and tires I bought for my 2022 Hyundai Elantra N. These are going to serve as winter wheels, but I have this sneaking suspicion that I'm going to like them so much they might stay on all year long. We'll see. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to prepare them before I put them on the car. I'm going to show you the center caps that I bought for them, and then I'm going to weigh them and compare them to the stock wheels that come on the car. So if you're interested to see what the new wheels look like, stay tuned. All right guys, so here are the new wheels. So these are Sport Edition A15-2 is the name of the particular wheel. And the size I went with is an 18 by 8 plus 45. How that compares to the stock is obviously the stocks are 19s. They're 19 by 8 plus 55. So these are gonna stick out about 10 millimeters more, which I think is gonna be nice, especially in the back. Always felt like these are sunken in a little bit too much. So these are gonna be nice. I do live in the South. We do get below freezing. We do get some snow. So the summer only Michelin Pilot Sport 4Ss are just not gonna cut it. You're not even supposed to take them out in the freezing because I guess they can get hard as hockey pucks, I hear, and then you can get dry rotting on the sides and all that kind of stuff. So I went with an 18. The reason for that is lighter weight. The other aspect of it is it should be a little bit better on the handling as far as the ride comfort goes. Now this car, 99% of the time, the ride comfort is amazing. It's that 1% where you hit a pothole or a big expansion joint that you get a big jolt. So with a thicker sidewall being an 18, of course, and a 40 profile versus a 19 and a 35 profile, this should give a little bit better ride comfort and soak up those big hard hits. Design wise, I just really like gloss black wheels. I don't like satin black wheels. If I'm going black wheels, I'm going gloss black. So I love the way that these look. I think it's gonna match the cyber gray and the gloss black mirrors and the tinted windows and the gloss black spoiler. I think it's gonna look really good, especially with those red calipers poking out. And I do like that the spokes are open more, so you're gonna be able to see more of that caliper. They're easy to clean. The tires, Continental DWS 06. 245/40 18s, all season pattern there. Great tires. I had them on my Mazda Speed 6. They lasted a long time. I didn't get the 50,000 miles out of them that they warranty them for, but I got over 30,000 on them. They're quiet. They handle great. They're good in light snow. They're great in the wet. And they're really good on dry. So they're just really a great tire overall. I did get these off of TireRack.com. It's a full package. So you got the wheel, tire mounted, balanced with the TPMS sensors. So these should be able to just be bolt on and go. What we're gonna do is before we put these on, we're gonna ceramic coat the inside and outside. That should help with, you can see all this brake dust here. The car's filthy and went on a road trip recently, so I do need to get it cleaned, but the brake dust is pretty bad on these cars. Ceramic coating it should help with cleaning them off later. And we're gonna weigh them. We're gonna weigh these compared to the stock. We're gonna see how much we're saving weight-wise per corner. And again, that should help with acceleration. And let's get the ceramic coating on. I'll show you the center caps. We'll weigh everything, and then we'll get these puppies on. We'll take a look and see what they look like. All right guys, they're all ceramic coated now, nice and shiny. So next I'm gonna show you which center caps I went with. So these are the center caps that come with the wheels. You can see just Sport Edition. Not a huge fan of that. So what I got is these. And so these are not the same as the ones that are on the car. They look exactly the same, but the diameter is slightly different. So these are actually, I believe they're for the Kona. That's the part number right there. And this is a genuine part from Korea. You can order them on eBay. They do take a while to come unless you pay for a US shipper, then you'll get them pretty quickly. But if you buy them directly from Korea, I think that it's like a 6-week wait. I'm gonna pop these in. I'm gonna show you what they look like on the wheel. Center caps are on. They look fantastic, as you can see. So one thing I like to do is line them up with the valve stem. So you can see here the N lines up with the valve stem, and I think that just looks good. So we got them all on. I'm loving the way these are looking. It's time to get these on there. But before I do that, I'm gonna weigh them, and then when I take these off, I'm gonna weigh those, and I'll let you know how much I'm saving weight-wise with these 18s. All right, balance out. See what we get. Got 45.2. Right, zero it out. Put it right on there. Let it balance. 54.2. Or 45.2. These are 54.2. So 9 pounds, saving 9 pounds on each corner. I'm really happy with that. So let's get this side on. I'm gonna pull the car out and show you what it looks like with all the wheels on. Let me know what you guys think. What do you think of the new wheels? Do you like the look? Do you prefer the stock 19s? To me, this looks like this could be an option from the factory for black 18-inch wheels. I'm loving them. So let me know your guys' thoughts. Should I keep these on all year round or just make them winters? Well, hope to hear some comments and some reactions. Let me know, guys. Till the next video. Peace out.